This is a drug on me. I somehow, it's hard to see in the window, but see the windows are all, you can see, I see in the windows they're all fog. And I locked my door with, I slide the door with a, of course it's locked. Oh, there's a key in it. But you walk, you know, if you close doors, all the other windows, my brother's not here. But all the windows, there's nothing inside the window. Unless you're drugging the... Oh, this is how they got me fucking drugged. And they lie that they aren't drugging me. And if I look on the, put on the, with, and they all make the bullshit sound. They aren't making all the sounds of birds. If you'll get it now. I've now got a video, right? These fucking assholes which have speakers and they put sounds which aren't real. Are they putting sounds like you're in other parts of the world and sounds in the most just the ordinary sound of the, but you won't get them now because now we've got the video. Oh, this is stuff. They're trying to make that all crazy so they can murder me. Simple as that. It's not as if it's not, they're trying to save the planet. They just want to, our government just planned to murder me, that's all. They're trying to make a smart ass way and make their own crazy so they can murder me to hide the fact, the truth of Terry Swift and the fucking pigs in an hour 4007. Are you people with outside of Australia? Look, 4077 mass, right? We'll look at Australia post number. In an hour when Cyril Williams lived in. And that's where a premier I used to live. I bet how they planned to murder me. I was trying to get an appointment to see another psychiatrist, right? Because I want to file my claim, and just in case they might want to, I want to file my claim, and they're going to say you're crazy. So you can't put your claim in, right? So that's why, but I'm trying to ring up to get an appointment. I can't get an appointment to get a real psychiatrist. I got one who's paid on the side to get these fucking cunts here. Or they probably even don't even have a psychiatrist. But he rang me up. He's come from Tilburg, the Abo town, just like 3 miles, whatever, 5 miles from Copenhagen. Well, they go. Oh, that's where the mental hospital is, right? So I went to see them. They wouldn't even give the name for the name of me doctor. They're the country who give me these, I don't even use it. I just use ordinary sleeping tablets. Well, that's the 30,000 of them trying to fucking murder you and try to. I like now. It's 16. Outside. Oh yeah, I was trying to look on what it says Mergen now. It is cold. I went outside to have a look outside the window. And it is cold outside. Now at 1 point I just over see me phone work. I won't work. That's why. Maybe 1 degree. It was cold when I walked outside. The windows are even. Yeah, but that's why. Yeah. So it was 1.7 degrees outside, and what was it about? Because I've closed the door now, it's getting up. It's 7 now. See, there's nothing in the room. And that's probably why they put it on. I didn't have to put it on myself. I had to pay for it last time. But they got it, my brother get these on all the rooms, right? But I haven't turned the air conditioning on. A heater. I even turned now it's hot now. It feels hot. I like to put the air conditioning on. Not, I normally, right, I turn the air conditioning on because they make it hot inside. See, it's hot inside this room now. Even if the windows are closed, right? But other rooms, it'll take like, because you're breathing inside your room, right? It won't make your room warm. Except they got on the roof, or it could even be on the floor. I haven't cleaned the carpet. If I pull the thing off, or they might have it even there. But I think it's the old bloke is dying, and they were dying. He got cancer, apparently, because they got one of those square things the government have, solar microwave. Well, that makes the heat in the room, and it's not far from here to the next house. It's only like, you can't see the light. See his house? Well, maybe it come from there with a microwave, and that's why it's hot in there. But this house, it was picked for my brother to buy. Oh, you see, they made the whole thing to get here and fucking murder me because I've been telling the truth about Sherwell and the park. And in the park with the police sports club in another, that's the truth that they've got to hide. Right? So, they don't even mention that at all. So they just talk about George Bush. Right? I'm not supposed to talk the truth who done 9/11. So, they must have made laws after midnight. Yeah. But that's the Australian police. But I put these things up on. They have seen God do it. Some people are too scared to tell you, but people have told people, and they know there are angels. Well, it's not them who are making. God could have done it in the past. The ship's got me in the air. Yeah, they've had. Yeah, it's time to pop on. Oh, that's what I meant to say. I said tobacco. This tobacco, maybe that's where the drug is. for all I know. It's not ordinary tobacco. You know, like Top Top, it's just plain Top Top, right? When I get it, and then when I'm asleep, they swap it with the stuff which has been sprayed. That could be how they do it. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly how they do it, but it's the government who are doing it. Make me feel fucked when I wake up now. I'll go back to sleep. I'd have done a piss and I'm going back to sleep. But, so this is day 4. What have I got to tell her, I think? Yeah. I'm trying to get 7 days and not too long so I can put the whole week I've been drugged by the government and what the 30,000 is. And then we'll argue then about the 6 months when they hold me in jail. 4 months when it was a false assault with police. But I didn't assault the police, and they held me in the car and they wouldn't turn the motor on, the air conditioning on, and it's 37 degrees outside. So I kicked the fucking windows out in the cop car, but they wouldn't turn the heat off. Turn the air conditioning on. It's like 50 degrees. People die inside cars or animals when you close all the doors. It was 37 outside and the cop put 4 people inside the car. I seen the news they killed the airboat in the back of the van, those van things. And the cop left them without turning the motor on, with the air conditioning, and murdered him out west. Well, why they kicked the fucking window out? And they held me 4 months with the false charges was Sir Weldon. I won in the trial. She's a liar. Right? Well, they held me 4 months. I lost my house and everything. I own the house in Mergen. 693 what's the name road from Ipswich to, it's called something else, the whole road. The town just outside of Mergen. Where the Loke is. The other put it on. I own that house. The reason I was forced to sell it because they held me 4 months in jail. And the house was being rented. But I was using the money for 4 months being held in jail. Unless they owe me, $20 million without getting the coppers in jail. It's on all 20 minutes now.